This is you
Because
calculate age in
again,
Excel.
calculating your range or the range of your data made very easy using the Excel. Here we use the function DATEDIF function. You have the date of birth for your data or your client. Then you need to calculate the date. So you can calculate the range of this in years or in the number of months. So if you want to use the number of years, you did DATEDIF from for today, that day, the date of birth, that is in our B6 in our case, and today, up today, then you give the range in terms of years, you use Y. You want to use in terms of months, you use M. So you can see this indicator and that here, the date of birth was 2045, it's 78 years and 942 months. So if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you follow us in this. If you don't follow us as the vickers here, remember you not be able to see these kind of tutorials which are very indicative, and it's up to our advantage. So make sure you follow for more.